Hi students, hi everybody. Good morning all of you. Today I am going to tell you a story because you are fond of stories. From stories we learn more and more moral teachings. Today the title of the story is Unselfish. Students, you know that there are two kinds of people live in our society. One kind is selfish, other kind is unselfish. The selfish think of themselves. They want the best food. They always talk fast. They never help others. They criticize others. They laugh at others. They think for his family, for himself. But unselfish people are far different from the selfish people. The selfish people they know everything. They want others respect them. Such people do not help others, but they take others' help. You know, the earth moves around the sun. The sun makes it move. It is at the center. Selfish people are always at the center. They make others move around them. But unselfish people, they sacrifice their life. They dedicated their whole life for the good for others, good for society. The unselfish people need others when the people in need help. They care others. They think either others have equal rights. They are ready to help others. They are also humble. They sacrifice for others. Unselfish people are like the earth. They tolerate others. We should be unselfish. We should think of our neighbors in the society. We should help them whenever they need. We should care for the others. Our society needs all of us. Our democracy needs help of all. The selfish cannot make a good society. So students, a great future is ahead. So you always try to be a unselfish for society because society depends on you. Students, one request, every day you try to speak something or listen something in English because nowadays English is very essential for us in our higher studies. If you face an interview, there are so many difficult questions. They are also asked. The interviewers ask some questions in English. So whatever you want to speak from morning to evening, you try to speak in English. Every day you practice and practice. You know that practice makes a man perfect. You at first every day you talk, I can do it, everything will be possible by me, then you can improve your knowledge. Where there is mind, there is a way. Thank you students, thank you all of you. One request, if you love my channel, please share, like and subscribe it. Thanks to all.